Are you ready to tap into the booming world of AI-powered content creation? Imagine launching a faceless YouTube channel that generates passive income without ever showing your face. In today's video, I'll reveal the ultimate idea for a cash cow channel: creating captivating avatar videos using cutting-edge AI technology. Stick around and I'll walk you through the entire process, from choosing your avatar to crafting engaging scripts, so you can start making money on YouTube today. Click here to sign up for free. This is the main panel, but you'll need to start by signing up. You can enter your email or sign up directly with your Google account. For this video, we need a talking avatar, a voiceover, and text. There are some default avatars available, and you have two options to add your own. First, you can use the image generator provided by this AI tool, or you can upload an image created with another generator. Any image you upload can be converted into a talking avatar. To generate my desired image, I'll write a prompt for the character. An old, wise Chinese man holding an ancient book, rendered realistically in 4K. If you're unsure what prompt to use, I'll provide guidance shortly after I generate the image. As you can see, 4 images have already been created for me. At this point, you can select and save the images you like. Afterward, you can generate more images and again, choose the ones you prefer. I'll select and save all of them now for later use. Once saved, you'll find all your images in the avatar section. Choose one of them and navigate to the editing section. There are 3 models for displaying avatars, and I'll go with the original option for this type of video. Next, we'll select a voice for the avatar. In this section, you'll have access to a wide range of voices with different genders and age variations. To make selection easier, I'll apply some filters. Listen to this one.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Great, I'll choose this one. As you can see, there's a variety of languages available. You can select any you prefer, and each language has multiple character options. For instance, listen to this feature.
您好，这就是我的声音，希望您喜欢。
If your text is in a language other than English, you can choose a speaker for your avatar that corresponds to that language.
Bonjour, c'est comme ça que je sonne, j'espère que vous l'aimez.
This capability can be very beneficial for various video styles, and you can even have female voices,
Bonjour, c'est comme ça que je sonne, j'espère que vous l'aimez.
which is fantastic. Now that we have the avatar and its voice, let's move on to the next step. But first, let me introduce you to an AI image generator that you can use if necessary. The link is in the description, and you can easily write your desired prompt there. In this section, your desired images will be generated in just a few seconds. Make sure to choose the right style for your image. As you can see, these are the results. Now let's return to the editing process. Here you can select the size of your video. I've chosen landscape for this one. This is the editing page, and the first task is to remove the background from the avatar image. To do this, click on the appropriate option, and within a few seconds the background will be eliminated. Adjust the size and position of the image to your liking. Once that's done, it's time to select the right background. Dark backgrounds are typically preferred for this style of video, but ultimately it depends on your personal taste. As you can see, this AI offers various elements for your needs, whether you want to use a video or a photo. I'll select a black video for the background after clicking on it. Now click on this option to set it as the background easily. You might have the script you need, but if not, don't worry. This artificial intelligence is connected to ChatGPT-4, allowing you to obtain the desired text from here. For example, I can request 3 ancient quotes about success in life. You can ask for an entire text if needed, and it will be generated for you in just a few seconds. Once you approve it, you can apply it. Next, it's time to write each of these quotes in a paragraph and edit them in this section, where you'll find various elements to add text with different fonts. I'll choose a simple font option, copy the first sentence, and paste it into the text box. Then, I'll change the font style, size, and color to customize it according to my taste. In this video, I'm demonstrating one of the best ideas for an AI-powered faceless cash cow channel on YouTube and how to create these types of videos in the easiest way possible. After finishing the editing of one slide, you can duplicate it. Since I requested 3 quotes, I'll need 3 slides. Add each quote to its own slide one by one, and make sure to delete any extra text on each slide. Just ensure that the text inside each slide matches the text in the box. The editing of the slides is now complete. Additionally, there's an option here to adjust the voice's speed and pitch. This voice is the one. We selected this avatar at the beginning of the video, so if you haven't saved the voice for your chosen avatar, feel free to set it up here now. I've adjusted the pitch and speed for all the slides. If you want to change your selected voice, you can easily apply those changes. Otherwise, there's no need to modify these settings. This artificial intelligence offers many options for video creation, but for this type of video, extensive changes aren't necessary. However, one feature that might enhance your video is the transition between slides. You can choose any transition you like, as it's entirely a matter of personal preference. I'll add one here to demonstrate this feature, but will remove it later since I don't need it. Now that the editing is complete, you can preview your video from this section. You can review the overall editing of the video, and once everything looks good, downloading the video is straightforward. This short video I created features the quotes,
Journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, I'll show you how to create one in a minute. After logging into YouTube with your Gmail account, click on Create Channel. In the next step, enter your channel name. If you don't have a name in mind like I did, just type something and click on Create. Then navigate to the Customization section and click on Branding. Here you can change the name and get some ideas from ChatGPT. It will generate suggestions for you in seconds. If you're not satisfied with them, you can ask for more. In my case, I chose a name for my channel and then pasted it into the YouTube name and handle sections. The green checkmark indicates that your name is available. You can add a description for your channel and then click on Publish. Now, you'll need a profile logo and a YouTube banner. I use Canva for this. First, search for YouTube logo, which is the exact size for a YouTube profile image. I want to use my first app guitar image for both the profile logo and the banner, so I'll upload it here. To make the image circular, you need to use a circular frame. The features of this AI are also great for creating thumbnails that you can use later, offering a variety of elements that are fantastic. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What kind of avatar will you create? And remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with taking action today. So, get started and watch your channel grow. See you in the next video.